Designed for adventure, the Roam Copilot allows you to access maps, music, and more while you're on your ride. Whether you use a Samsung Galaxy or the latest iPhone, it offers a universal fit, held in place by a silicone net that stretches 4 times its size. With the most versatile clamp on the market, it's universally compatible with motorcycles, bicycles, or mountain bikes. 360-degree rotation means you can use your phone in both portrait and landscape mode. Hitting rough terrain? Our mount has 6 contact points firmly secured in place using a premium-grade silicone net, ensuring a reliable grip on your device. Safely secured at each corner, you'll face bumpy trails with total confidence. Crafted and constantly improved, the Roam Copilot is incredibly durable and has kept up with the active lifestyle of over 600,000 customers and counting. Ride with confidence wherever you dare to roam.
CAW.CAR is the lightest, strongest, and most secure smartphone bike mount. It provides easy access to your smartphone and is perfect for road cycling, mountain biking, and daily commuting. The CAW.CAR bike kit is supplied with everything needed to mount your smartphone on your bike stem or handlebars. Our patented dual-stage lock allows you to securely attach and detach your smartphone in seconds. CAW.CAR is perfect for tracking your fitness, navigating your ride, and taking quick photos on the go. The CAW.CAR mount is super strong and will hold your smartphone securely over even the roughest terrain. Our optional slip-on cover called the poncho provides extra protection from the elements. CAW.CAR makes for a great everyday case. With its slim profile, it's easily pocketable. The CAW.CAR case will keep your smartphone safe thanks to its impact-resistant edge-to-edge protection and microfiber lining. With already 1 million customers and thousands of 5-star reviews, CAW.CAR is the world's best solution. CAW.CAR, smartphone mounting for an active lifestyle.